Hi guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel, and if this is your first time here watching one of my videos, then hello, my name is Cherie Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. I am excited to show you guys what I received. I did open the box and see what I got. I just couldn't help myself. So this ain't no first impression of unboxing this with you guys. I've actually already unboxed it, but I'm going to unbox it with you guys right now. So here's the box. This is what size it is. So the theme is breaking the ice. So that is what that is. And I have variation 21 right there. Okay guys, so let's see what I got. So the very first thing, which was one of the things I was excited to receive, is this Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Yeah, face gommage. I just feel so stupid reading these things sometimes. But anyway, so pretty much this is an exfoliator, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So this is a exfoliating cream. I was so wanting to receive this, so I'm so glad I did receive this. So here's an up close of this product right here. And it is sealed. I was gonna see what the texture is. Let's see, because I am curious to see what the texture is. I'm gonna show you guys as well. So this is what that texture looks like. I'm gonna actually smur it around. Oh yeah, I could just feel it. But that's what that texture of that looks like. Really? Really? Like really? Good thing I don't have no makeup on. I just got on like mascara and lips to it. It smells good. It has like a natural yet delicious kind of smell. Kind of. It reminds me of the St. Ives apricot scrub, except for this is like on a thinner side, but it literally looks about the same color as that. I'll pop a picture of it if you don't know what I'm talking about, but it's kind of, it reminds me of that product just by swatching on my hand. So this is the first product right here. Again, really excited I received it. Next product I see right off the back, like first thing in here is, I'm gonna have to find this because I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is the, what is this? Queen. This is a Queen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Satin. Yeah, I can't read nothing right. So I'm not gonna actually open this, but I will open it just to show the packaging. But this one I got in the shade Thick Skin, so that's the shade right here that I received, and I'm not gonna keep this. So, but I did want to open it up just to show you guys what this is, because I don't even know what it is. I know as it says satin lip something, and I don't need any more. I don't even like stuff like that really. Yeah, it says liquid lip satin. We'll just see. I don't know. Maybe I might change my mind. But I can't even get this out. We're going to take a pause break. Like, I'm trying to open this without ripping the box in case I give this away. Like, I don't want to give something away with a ripped box. Let's try to open it from the other end. I think I'm having a little bit better luck with this end. Oh, I did not have any luck opening on this end. Yeah, definitely giving this away. Look at that color. But this is what that lip product looks like. And I'm not gonna actually open this, like I said, because I'm not keeping it. So I just hate that I did just break this though. Like look at that. I just broke that off. I tried not to. It just tore off anyway. But anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick that back in there kinda. But yeah, so that's what this is. Yeah, lip satin lips. I received that. Didn't care that I received that, to be honest. I also received the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. And I really shouldn't have put my swatch in, but this is like for under my eyes pretty much. I probably won't use this, I don't know, because when I use the sample, it's not full coverage, so I still would have to go up under something else with it. I don't know, I may or may not continue to use this, but that was this product right here. Okay, so the next product I received in my box was this Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. And so you can use this as a sleeping mask or a wash-off mask. So I am pretty excited to use this. I will be using this as a wash-off mask. I don't really care for sleeping masks, and I have gotten, this is like my third sleeping mask I've gotten from Boxycharm. They really believe in sleeping in those masks, boy. Anyways, so that's that one. And so I also wanted this next product as well, like the exact shade that I received this in, the exact one. So I did receive this Ace Beauty palette. Like, look how nice this is. Like, yes. I was so excited, y'all. This is what I opened the box for. I was like, please tell me they gave me this eyeshadow palette. I was like, please tell me. And then when I saw it, I was like, yes. Okay. Please tell me they gave me the shades I wanted. So this is the exact palette I wanted. I know I look like crazy, like, girl. And I got so many palettes already. I don't know why I was just really wanted this. Like, I really wanted this right here. Like, these two things, I for sure wanted in my box. Like, for sure. And then I also wanted that highlighter, but you can't win them all. But the diamond, whatever, highlighter, I wanted it in the yellow box. You can't win them all. I had the highlighter last time, so of course. So it has a really nice mirror. And then look at these shades. Oh my gosh, look at these shades, y'all. Like, look at them. Like, I'm in like heaven for right now. Like, so nice. So nice. These are really beautiful colors. Like, this is perfect. Like, this is so beautiful. I'm sorry. This is just amazing. I am so excited, y'all. I don't even even have makeup on right now. Like, okay. Like, I really don't want to swatch it because I like to take pictures of my products, you know, but I won't. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Like, I'm gonna show that to you guys. Okay, so let's swatch it. That's that swatch. And let's do another one. Let's do a bright one. Oh my gosh. It feels really soft. Wait. Like, that is nice. Okay, let's do another one. All they were missing in this palette was like blue, like a teal kind of blue. So I'm gonna do one of the shimmeries. Oops. I stuck the wrong finger in there, but oh well. So that. I'm gonna do one of these shimmers. Y'all, that is so cute. Like, I just so cannot wait to use this. Like, and it's like still on my fingers from swatching. So I know they're gonna last quite a bit on my lids, so I'm pretty excited. Okay, so y'all, we've came to the end of this video, end of this unboxing. Like, tell me your thoughts. Like, how was this box to you? Personally, like I said, these two things I wanted to get in a box. I'm pretty sure I definitely got my money's worth with just these two products. I mean, and come on now, like, I know I definitely got my money's worth with this as well. I love face masks, and I love that this is not just only used for a sleeping mask. You can use this as a regular mask as well. So I love that they have that option for people who don't care to do sleeping masks. But yeah, so I'm really excited about these products right here. The other two, like I said, I am going to give this one away. I don't know why. I don't know why they keep sending me new lipsticks and lippies and stuff. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, and then this, I may mix it with another favorite concealer for under my eyes, or I may just put this in a giveaway, a future giveaway coming up. So, I don't know, but definitely these two might be in a little giveaway from me. But other than that, guys, like, this was a pretty good box. As far as those 3 products, I'm really happy with these 3 products. So that made up for the $25 I paid for this box for the month. But yeah, definitely let me know down below if you received Boxycharm as well. Did you receive anything that I received? For those of you who wanted to know more in-depth information about Boxycharm itself, I will link their website down below in the description box. So go down there and click that link and find out more information. I'll leave brief information down there as well in my description box. So if you guys found this video helpful in some way, or just simply enjoyed watching my unboxing, then please give me a thumbs up before you go. And if this is your first time watching one of my unboxings, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload from me. And you all have a wonderful day or night, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.